Hi guys, I'm Becky Alexander-Frost and I own a pattern brand called RJF Makes. RJF Makes is my initials, which is Rebecca Jane Alexander-Frost, and most of you might know me as Baffer in the studio when John and Vic say our Baffer when I message in. Favourite thing to make? I think people know me by now. I like to make bags. As you can see, I've got a few bags behind me. Most of my patterns are bags, however there is a few craft style patterns available as well. Claim to fame, I used to previously be on another sewing channel with John and Vix and the team. Basically I used to work alongside some famous pattern designers testing for them. What got me into sewing was my mom. When I was 5, I was standing next to her while she was sewing some bridesmaids dresses for me and my sister, and basically I asked if I could learn to sew. She said I was a bit immature, still immature by the way. She said I'm a bit young to learn, her words, and basically she said maybe when you're a bit older. So when I turned 8, I basically learned to hand sew, and by the age of 11 I had my first sewing machine. I'm now in my late 30s but still act that 8-year-old. My favourite tools or top tips. So I have 2 best friends. One's called the Bulky Sea Maid, which is this, and one is called Quilter Stay. This will help anybody, the Bulky Sea Maid will help anybody if you're got something bulky going underneath your presser foot. This will stop any stitches from jumping and basically missing a stitch. Now this is my best friend when I come to put in zips, and you'll see me use this a lot, I mean a lot. Thank you ever so much, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.